In modern electronics, precision and reliability are non-negotiable. At HIGHPCB, we ensure zero defects with cutting-edge X-ray inspection technology. Traditional inspection methods can't detect hidden defects like voids, solder bridges, or internal misalignments. But our automated X-ray inspection system provides high-resolution imaging to verify every connection inside your PCB. This technology is essential for BGA, QFN, and high-density PCBs, ensuring your boards meet the highest quality standards before deployment. At HIGHPCB, we are committed to delivering high-quality, reliable PCBs for medical, aerospace, and industrial applications. With our advanced inspection processes, you get perfection every time. Need flawless PCB manufacturing with top-tier quality control? Choose HIGHPCB. Your innovation deserves the best. Visit highpcb.com today.